Welcome to our channel. In today's fast-paced business world, having clear and transparent data allows managers to see the full picture, identify issues quickly, and respond effectively. It provides a solid foundation for decision-making and helps in tracking performance metrics in real time. By leveraging tools like Google Sheets and Google Drive, you can gather, analyze, and share data seamlessly, improving overall management efficiency and fostering a culture of openness and accountability. Collecting employee inputs. How to use Google Sheets for transparent data gathering. Google Sheets is a powerful tool for collecting employee inputs transparently. Start by creating a Google form linked to your sheet. This form can be customized to gather specific data points such as daily activities, project progress, and feedback. Once the form is shared, employees can fill it out, and their responses will automatically populate your Google Sheet. This real-time data collection ensures that you always have the most up-to-date information at your fingertips. Data analysis made easy, leveraging Google Sheets to turn data into actionable insights. Once the data is collected, Google Sheets makes it easy to analyze. Use features like pivot tables to summarize data, charts to visualize trends, and conditional formatting to highlight key metrics. For example, you can set up a pivot table to quickly see the distribution of tasks across team members, or use charts to track project progress over time. Instant problem alerts, integrating Google Sheets with Slack for real-time notifications. To stay ahead of potential problems, integrate Google Sheets with Slack for real-time notifications. This setup allows you to receive alerts whenever certain conditions are met in your data. In Google Sheets, go to Tools greater than Notification Rules and set your condition, such as when changes are made or a form is submitted. In Slack, add the Google Sheets integration and configure the alerts to be sent to the appropriate channel. This way, you'll be instantly notified in Slack when your specified conditions are met in Google Sheets. Distributing reports. How to use Google Drive to share detailed documents via Slack. Sharing detailed reports is crucial for transparent communication. After analyzing your data, create comprehensive reports in Google Sheets and save them to Google Drive. Then, share these reports with your team via Slack to ensure everyone has access to the latest information. Staying organized, managing and archiving reports with Google Drive. Google Drive allows you to manage and archive your documents systematically. To stay organized, create a folder structure that works for your team. For example, you can have folders for each month, project, or team. Move completed reports into an archived reports folder to keep your active workspace uncluttered. This makes it easy to retrieve and review past data when needed. Collaborative solutions. Using shared Google Sheets for team problem solving. Collaboration is key to problem solving. Share your Google Sheets with team members by clicking on the Share button, setting the permissions to allow editing, and inviting collaborators. Encourage your team to use the comment feature to discuss specific data points and suggest solutions. This collaborative approach ensures that issues are addressed promptly and effectively. Enhancing management efficiency with Google Sheets and Google Drive integration. In conclusion, integrating Google Sheets and Google Drive into your workflow enhances management efficiency by providing transparent, real-time data, facilitating collaboration, and ensuring organized documentation. Start leveraging these tools today to improve your team's productivity and responsiveness. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you next time.